Let's take a look at how we can import articles into Mendeley, as well as update the details of the articles. I've got an article selected. You can see all of the article details here for the citation. If I click on the file itself, you can read the article. Right in Mendeley, you can also highlight and you can add notes to the article, which you can search through later, so that's helpful. But what I'd like to do now is add some more articles to Mendeley. So I'll go back to my library. I'm going to go to my institutions website, the library page. I've already logged in and I've already selected an article that I wish to download. So I'll click on that article. The first thing I'm going to do is export the citation. Then that way it makes it easier for importing the article into Mendeley. A lot of the fields will be filled out. It will automatically fill out the fields for you based on the PDF, but it's not as accurate. So this will save you a little bit of time. So I'm going to click on Export to RIS, Download. Then I'll do the same for the article. So I'll download that. Okay, and now I'm going to go to my downloads. And I'm going to rename them. But before I do that, let's move them into the folder that I would like to. So I'll cut them and I'll put them into my citations folder. I like to keep all my articles together. Often I group them by date or by month and year. All right, so this is the CT article 2017. Some people will write in the author's name and then the year. I'm going to write CT 2017 for the citation. I'll do the same for the article name, just so that I can find it when I go to import it. I'll go back to Mendeley now. I'm in my library. I'm going to add the file. So I just need to find my citations folder once again, and I'm going to add the citation first. So click on the citation, it's the .ris file, then click on open, and you can see there is my citation. Now, notice how there are some uppercase letters. So sometimes the citation is not quite right. We need it to be in APA 7 format, so I'm going to adjust those and change it to lowercase. All lowercase. Now sometimes if it was a really long title, I would just copy and paste it into Word and then convert it to lowercase. Always trying to save time, of course. You can check some of the other details out as well. Looks pretty good to me. Now I'm going to add the file. So click on Add File. There's my article that I want to import. Click on Open. And my article is here. So I can read the article, and again, I can make notes. So now that it's in Mendeley and I've checked that the details are correct, I can then use it in Word and add my citations from this article. If ever I made a mistake and any of this information needs updating, always update it in Mendeley itself, and then it will automatically update all your citations when you refresh it in Microsoft Word.